Hello everyone, and welcome back. Hope you are in good health and doing great. Today, we are going to discuss a more serious form of urinary tract infection known as a complicated UTI or CUTI. While typical UTIs primarily affect the bladder and urethra, understanding when an infection becomes complicated and the signs to watch for is really important. So, what exactly is a complicated urinary tract infection? It's a UTI that has progressed beyond the lower urinary tract, the urethra and bladder, and has spread to involve the upper urinary tract, most commonly the kidneys. In some cases, the infection can also spread to surrounding tissues or even enter the bloodstream, making it more severe and potentially requiring more intensive treatment. What typically causes a UTI to become complicated? Like uncomplicated UTIs, complicated UTIs are usually caused by bacteria. One of the most common culprits is Escherichia coli, often referred to as E. coli. These bacteria can travel up the urinary tract from the urethra to the bladder and then further up to the kidneys. Factors that can increase the risk of a UTI becoming complicated include structural abnormalities in the urinary tract, kidney stones, the presence of a catheter, a weakened immune system, pregnancy, or underlying conditions like diabetes. In these situations, the body may have more difficulty clearing the infection, allowing it to spread and become more established in the kidneys or surrounding areas. Prompt and effective treatment of simple UTIs is crucial to help prevent them from progressing to a complicated stage. What are the signs and symptoms that might indicate a complicated urinary tract infection? Compared to a typical bladder infection, complicated urinary tract infection often presents with more pronounced and systemic symptoms. Fever and chills are common indicators that the infection has spread beyond the bladder. You'll likely experience back pain, often in the sides or lower back, which is a key sign of kidney involvement, pyelonephritis. Nausea and vomiting are also frequently reported symptoms with complicated UTIs. In some cases, you might also notice blood in the urine, although this can also occur with uncomplicated UTIs. While you might still experience some of the typical lower UTI symptoms like frequent urination, painful urination, or a strong urge to urinate, the presence of fever, chills, and back pain strongly suggests a more complicated infection that requires medical attention. Untreated complicated UTIs can lead to serious complications, including kidney damage and sepsis. Recognizing the definition, common causes, and the more severe signs and symptoms of a complicated urinary tract infection is vital for seeking timely and appropriate medical care to prevent potential long-term health issues. Thanks for watching, take care, and have a wonderful day ahead.